welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here day 2 to Stampede After the Storm. We are at the Fox Mustang Restoration meet and open house. I think I see somebody I know. I think you know, somebody, he's on YouTube. If you haven't seen him, he can sing. Okay. What is going on, John? What is going on? What is going on, man?
Pretty good, man.
You doing all right?
Yeah, man, pretty good. How about yourself today?
Doing good, doing good. You gonna sing any today? I got the music going.
I won't be singing today, man.
All right.
Yeah, man, I like this, man. It's cool, dude.
Pretty good turnout, ain't it? And it's still early.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's awesome.
I was telling my son, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Definitely. But guys, we'll check back with you in here in just a minute.
Nothing ever comes to me, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it stay.
You like that?
Yeah.
You want to be?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kaven.
You want to shout out anybody?
No.
No? Okay. Little man up in there. He's posing for you. He's like, yeah.
Dad, when I grow up, I'm giving
I think you made the right decision, man. I've always kind of went back and forth on the 11 and 12s, but the 13s, I mean, I know they got the power and stuff, but I've always had a love passion for the more.
Yeah, me too. And you got a 13 ball 302.
Yes, sir. It's a fun car, man, but like I said, my end all be all. I'm gonna have me a Shelby one day. I had the 03 Cobra and I traded it for the Boss 302, and I'm gonna hopefully end up with a Shelby.
Awesome. Here we go. This is it right here. 94, 95 Cobra. Looks like it's got a little Pro Charger, you think?
ProCharger.
Yep, ProCharger. So I thought it was a ProCharger. I didn't want to misspeak, but it's got the Weld racing wheels on it, RTS's. He's got the 96 to 98 tail lights. Miss my 95. Miss my 95, man.
I do too. I miss it too.
A lot of you have seen Coyote swaps and they're all over the place, but something that I love is a 0304 Cobra swap Fox body. And that's what we have here, guys. This is the engine out of the 0304 Cobra swapped into a Fox. Everybody does the Coyotes now, and I still think that that is an awesome swap.
And it's got plenty of room for the engine itself.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you fit a Coyote and you can fit this in there,
Yeah,
and it's
exactly.
just, man, he's got the Cobra wheels on it. He's got Cobra seats, not the 0304 Cobra, but it looks like they redid the seats.
Mm-hmm.
But dude, that's
sick, man.
it's awesome.
You know when it's a Chevy guy saying it's a good looking car.
Oh yeah, definitely. And this is one of my favorite color combos. It's got the Cobra, that's the Cobra rear spoiler. Guys, this is beautiful.
And like I said in my blog, these older cars are a time capsule, right?
Mm-hmm.
To another time, you know what I mean? And it's cool to reminisce on it.
Exactly. Just that swap, man. Yes, very nice. Hey, take it easy, man.
Take it easy.
All right, guys, it is the next day, and we have got the cars loaded up. Cody, are you about ready to head back to Tennessee?
I don't know. I'm looking for jobs already.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I like the weather.
Yeah, I just don't want to drive back, so you know I could sell everything I got and just live here. You know,
That's mostly the reason why
yeah.
I don't want to. I just don't want to make the drive.
Drive back.
I don't want to make the drive.
Guys, we got everything loaded up, and we're going to be heading out. But guys, I had an awesome weekend. I want to give everybody a shout out who made this weekend possible. Everybody that came together. Man, it was an incredible weekend. For Mustang Week to get canceled and for this to still happen, it shows a lot about the Mustang community and what everybody's willing to do to come together to make it happen. Mike Clay and Mustang Week staff was at the museum selling t-shirts and everything, so they came down. It was an incredible time. Just want to thank everybody who made it possible. But guys, we're about to get out of here. I want to thank Pony 1992 for his hospitality, for letting us stay in his house. I highly appreciate that, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Really do. Thank you a lot.
Love you.
Yeah, great guy. Determined veteran for flying down.
Yes.
Determined veteran flew all the way down from Texas. Gearhead 704.
Oh yeah.
I want to thank Gearhead 704 for what's coming up next.
Yeah, that was great.
He took my GoPro and he took off with it, and he's like, "I want to borrow your GoPro," and I was like, "Okay." You know,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. But anyway, guys, so we're gonna let you see what he went off and done. I think you're gonna get a kick out of this.
It's great.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, you know I love drag racing, and last night I drag raced so fast I blew everything off the car. Guys, I ran like a 9-second pass. Now this is probably 7, because as you can see, even the motor flew out of the car. This car crossed the line so fast, guys, I'm just a bad drag racer. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
All right, Matt, you did a pretty good job. The outro, you need to work on a little bit, but I'm gonna help you out here. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and
We'll see you next time.
What is going on, don't do that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Stop and pin. I messed that up. Let's try it one more time, Ken. One more time. All right. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Stopping in, I can't do it. I got my own stuff. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try it one more time, Ken. One more time. If I don't get it this time, just have to cut it. All right, here we go.